Hey you guys, we're gonna jump into it. What you're gonna do now is find one of your clients' photos and you're gonna place it in the background. Next, you are going to click on transparency and you're going to lower it down until you see 22, or you can type 22 in, it doesn't matter. After that, you are going to click on elements and find you something that's going to showcase your other client photos, and you're going to put that inside of your flyer. Now you're going to click on elements and type in frame, and you're going to click on frames, and you're going to find you a square frame to place inside of your Polaroid picture. You're going to find your other clients' photos and you're going to place those photos inside of these frames that you place inside of the Polaroid frame. Okay, after that you're going to add a heading and you're going to type in book now, and you can choose whatever font that you desire that you think is going to look more appealing to your flyer. You're going to place a makeup tool to use inside of your flyer, and you're going to remove the background if you have a paid Canva Pro account. If you don't have a paid Canva Pro account, I do have a free remove background link inside my description box that you can use, and you can come back and upload your picture just like this, and you can add inside. Now I'm going to click on lines and shapes, and I'm going to click the line, and I'm going to change the color into the same color of that makeup powder that's coming out of the brush. You're going to add your logo or your brand name into your flyer. Now that you got your logo and your brand name placed on your flyer, next you're going to add your contact information at the bottom of your flyer, because you want your potential new clients to reach you and contact you and your existing clients. And there you have it, you guys. After you get done with your flyer, you're going to click on share and you're going to download it as a PNG. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe.